kind of thing we hope to do in the mentoring program is really give new lawyers a chance to get some breadth of perspective on the culture of their new profession.
I am very proud of being a lawyer, and I see it and have seen it during my career as an opportunity for service.
As a member of the legal profession, some of the best satisfaction I received is helping other lawyers. And it not only makes me feel good about helping other people, it also helps me relearn things that maybe I'd forgotten.
As I look at young lawyers coming into the practice now, I am excited about the future for the practice of law. We have some outstanding young lawyers that are joining the ranks of this profession, and I'm proud to be a lawyer, and I think they're going to do great things. But it's important that they receive the kind of examples and the kind of mentoring that will make a difference in their careers.
You never have learned it all when it comes to the law. Accordingly, mentoring is a huge part of that learning process.
When you jump into a new profession like this, I know a lot of times there are days where I feel like I don't know what I'm doing, or they didn't tell me this in law school, and so I appreciate especially those at my firm who've kind of stepped up and who I can feel comfortable just sitting in their office and asking questions, silly questions even, how does this work, or how do I do this, to kind of guide me along until I have my feet under me.
I have a mentor who used to say to me, law school teaches you where the courthouse is, but it doesn't teach you which bus to take to get there.
Mentoring is where we learn how to use the tools. A young lawyer can either use those tools to build up or to tear down. It's important to be trained in the use of the tools as well as to know them.
It makes a big difference if you have someone that you can call, someone that you can ask, someone that you can rely on for a little bit of instruction, a little bit of counseling.
I think mentoring is so much more personal and one-on-one. In a classroom, even in my smallest classes, you had 25 or 30 people to one teacher. Mentoring, you're there with one other attorney, and they're, talking with you candidly, they're guiding you.
I used to think that my energy was enough, and I think an old judge told me, he says, energy is no substitute for wisdom. So I rely on other people to give me feedback and give me input, and in turn, I think become wiser because of that.
I think it really has great benefits for the mentor as well as the mentee, and it's something that is a way you can serve the bar, serve the public, while having a good time yourself.
I think the satisfaction and the fulfillment that the mentor gets is almost as important as the education the mentee receives.
It's a lot of fun. It's a very satisfying experience. You learn a lot. It's always good to be around young people, and so it's worth your time.
Any success I've had in my career, personally or professionally, I owe to people who have been willing to be my mentors along the way.
People respect our profession, and it's important for lawyers to continue that tradition of service.
We need to take pride in our profession, and we need to be proud of the members of our profession.
That's one of the challenges of our mentoring program is to have everybody recognize the importance of training the next generation of lawyers.
It is my hope that through the mentoring program we can transmit values of significance, values of civility and courtesy and respect for other people, and excellence in the profession. That all of those things combined is what makes a great lawyer.
I think people grow themselves when they help other people. I think lawyers who participate in this program are going to find it one of the most fulfilling professional experiences of their lives.